Really?
It's
Wow.
very random. I mean, what we're going to get.
Kings County, and then we've got them all the way through Delaware County, which they have damage up there at some of the high school.
Who I can find out? Are you, as far as people staying there, or? Okay. As far as how many? Okay. When I get over there, I'll see if I can find out. Okay. Because we had natural gas leaks going on, and we had, we couldn't get back to Orchard Island back there because of that natural gas, and the power was on, and we had trees down. And
They had too much water on their top floor, too much water on their second floor, and coming down.
We're thankful because our house is still standing, others are not. Yeah, I love it. I got a job here
on the rented. So, and we were full. This side, she started to pull back there. But we've got a strong Spend-A-Day family. We've got a strong Indian Lake community.
I was
Yeah, exactly. Everybody knows Indian Lake. It's going to take some time to make it to Indian Lake. Everybody knows again, but we can do
Hey,
it.
come back.
It'll come back. We'll need everybody's support as we venture through this, and one thing at a time.